I'm here with this crazy looking mask on. Because, you know, a lot of people this time of year
Alright.
Ooh, y'all like this shirt? Bam! Make beats. Welcome.
Okay.
Cameraman, what are you moving for?
Cause you stood up and it wasn't catching your happy head.
Oh, alright. Cut.
Camera woman.
Camera woman. Well. Cut. Edit. Side with a virus. And I'm not trying to catch their diseases. So I'm in the studio masked up. So, we're here on Enigma TV. Back with some unboxing. We're gonna unbox today FedEx.
Oh my God.
Ooh, mystery box we have here. Apple iPad. Not pod. This is an Apple iPad, y'all. Don't have an apple in the back. I thought it had the apple in the back. Wait, is it already in a case? It's already in a case. I know I ain't tripping.
Yes, according to the picture, it had the apple on the back.
Yeah, what the fuck? Got a case on it. How you get this shit off? La da dee, iPad. Apple. Just so boy, y'all say I ain't no apple. Quit lying to these people. Oh shit, it's coming on. Something's funny about the. I feel like there's a cover on top of the screen too. Now, sorry for messing up the unboxing, but this is for my fiance. My wife. Cut that. This is for my wife. And so she got a case coming for this. But we didn't realize that it came with a case, and I'm thinking this looks like a okay, this is an Amazon. Well, how was it called on Amazon?
It's an Amazon renewed Apple iPad.
We always buy brand new. When we decided to try this Amazon renewed because it's a way lesser price. And as you see, there ain't nothing wrong with this thing.
And it's actually my first Apple product, so therefore I didn't want to spend almost $1,000 on an item that I don't know how to work. So
if y'all want to know, Apple renewed, if it's worth it, we decided to take the gamble for you. We saw some reviews on Amazon, a couple, but that's I guess you take
for every 100 reviews, you're gonna have probably 1 or 2 bad ones.
I would advise just look on the seller and go with the person who got the most good positive reviews and the most sales. Just because they got all positive reviews of like 300 something sales, and you got somebody over here that got positive reviews from thousands of sales, I'd go with the bigger number.
Right.
Because then you know they don't really disappoint their customers. But this whole case thing, we didn't realize, I don't think, you didn't realize it came with this, huh?
No.
Because it didn't say nothing about that.
No, it didn't specify that it was coming with the case, which is why I purchased a separate case. But I did, however, want the keyboard.
Nah, because what I'm noticing is, to me, I don't know if I'm wrong, but this don't feel like the, I guess it is. This don't feel like the, I feel like they put a layer of something on this. Yeah. I was right. Okay. I knew something wasn't right. I'm like, it's too foggy. There we go.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if this is some kind of protection.
That's a screen protector.
Okay. So maybe we'll just keep it like that, but when you play it, maybe you take it off. I don't know. Or you can leave it on the play. But to me, you know, this is...
It's clear.
Yeah, I was like, something ain't right about this thing. Well, we just, okay.
I can always just hang on to it, and when I travel with it or whatever, if I just want to put it on, put it on.
Yeah. Or you could keep it like that inside your case. I can't believe it stuck on there so damn good. Like, to the point where I didn't even know if it was really there or not. That's crazy. Well, that's us. Whoa. It's sucking the screen up. That's fucking nuts how that looks. Whoa.
You're like freaking yourself out.
I know y'all can't see that. Man, let's doing some crazy shit. Alright, y'all. Well, that's all for today. Y'all be sure to subscribe and come back, baby. Because we got new unboxings coming, new vlogs every day. Season 6 coming July 4th. And we got live streams coming out every single day on the channel from PlayStation. And y'all stay tuned and come back here next week, this time, next Friday. We have another unboxing for y'all.